In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Havit Bluetooth earphones. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your Havit Bluetooth earphones on any device that supports Bluetooth audio earphones. So to set this up, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on that specific device. So if you are trying to connect the earphones to a PC, go over to the settings, exit the Bluetooth category, and enable them. Likewise, you can also do this on a mobile device, a laptop, and so on. Now, once Bluetooth is enabled on your specific device, all that you have to do is put your Havit Bluetooth earphones into pairing mode, so they will be detected by the Bluetooth device that you are using. So once you turn them on, usually they will go into pairing mode. If you power them on and you notice that they don't immediately go into pairing mode, you might have to press a specific combination of buttons, so refer to the manual, but usually just powering on your headphones or putting the lid open on the earphones case will do. So once they are into pairing mode, look under the list of available devices and you will be able to choose the Havit earphones from there. Once you select them, they will automatically connect themselves and they will be successfully paired up. Now, all of the audio being output on that specific device will go over to the Havit earphones instead. You will be able to use them indefinitely as long as they are sufficiently charged. Once they run out of battery, they will automatically disconnect themselves and you just have to charge them again and then repeat the same steps to connect them. If it doesn't work, I recommend restarting the actual device where you are trying to connect them to and checking to see if they have sufficient battery. As long as you have sufficient battery on the Havit earphones and you enabled Bluetooth on your device, you will be able to get this process done and listen to all of the audio being output. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Havit Bluetooth earphones. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.